Welcome to the beach, Beach Samui and Tongkrut on the southern tip of Beach Samui Island. We're having another beautiful morning here, late May, and we're here today to give you a construction update. Well, you can see from our last visit, when you were here a couple of months ago, we've now proceeded. We're about 40% through the block work. We may have 70% of the sanitary rough-in, about 40% of the electrical rough-in, and we're moving swiftly and smoothly. Weather's been cooperating. So our progress on construction, we're very happy with to date. One of the impressive things about this project, as you can see, is the lobby, reception, bar and restaurant area, which runs right through the building from the street side all the way to the beach. And you can see that every unit has a balcony overlooking the beach, enjoying the spectacular view. So the attention to detail in terms of the amenities, the luxuriousness of the finish out by U Architectural Group and by David Archer Group is really quite phenomenal given the scale of this development. And you can see these beach level units have terraces that open right out onto a terraced patio, and at the end of that patio is a long linear pool. There's a bridge coming out of the lobby area that goes right across that pool and allows you to step down onto the beach. And so all of this will be a landscaped area with 5 master royal palms in the front, and it'll be a remarkable setting to watch a sunset from. And you'll see that coming in the coming months, how this is developing. We're very, very pleased with it.
Sawasdee krab. I'm standing right now on the second floor. We are about 40% of the block work under construction, and we have already around 60% to 70% of the sanitary piping rough-in. And we are progressing quite smoothly so far, and we are expecting to finish the whole finishes by end of November.